Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water level pressure switch in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers, a pair of large pliers, and a pair of scissors. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water level pressure switch. The water level pressure switch controls the amount of water that enters the washer. If your washer is not getting any water, overflows, or the water level is incorrect, check the water level pressure switch and replace it if needed. We need to remove a couple of Phillips screws, that one on each corner, in order to take off the control panel. So using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take out that screw in the corner. Then we're going to move to the opposite side and remove another one. To remove the control panel, we need to lift it up and simply turn it over and lay it on the top of the washer. We're removing the rear access panel. In order to do that, we need to take out the 4 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take them out. If you noticed, I'm wearing gloves. This is because of the sharp metal. So I'm going to grab it on both sides, bend it slightly and push it down, and then we can release the top. Then we can pull up the bottom and take out the access panel. First, we're going to squeeze and slide this wing hose clamp. Then I'm going to untie this wire tie so we can free that tube. And now we're going to pull it off. Then now we're going to untie this wire. First over here at the back. I'm going to loosen up this bunch of wires here and then untie this. And now we need to conquer another obstacle. There's a tape that connects our air hose with the harness. So because it's in a spot that you can't even reach in with your hand, we need to use the scissors and we're going to cut it. And now the air hose is free and we can pull it out. And press down the locking tab and disconnect the power plug. And now we can release the switch itself. There's 3 locking tabs. We can press it out. And pull out the switch. Before we install the new water level pressure switch, we need to remove this wing clamp from the old air hose. And we're going to install it onto the new one. This is the old water level pressure switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new water level pressure switch, we need to install this wing hose clamp on the air hose. Just slide it on. Now we can install it. Okay, now we're going to install the new water level pressure switch into the washer, or should I say onto the washer. And insert it into this opening all the way in. We're going to first do the top portion, then we're going to go down and connect it down there. So I'm going to place this hose into the channel, and then we're going to press down the switch into the place. There's 3 tabs that locks, and we can plug this power plug in. There's 3 openings at the bottom. push it in. And again, I'm going to place this wire tie underneath. I'm going to put that hose back in, and I'm going to twist them together. Put it out of the way. Now we can go down. And I'm now going to wrap around the rod about 3 times. So we're going to eliminate the extra length. So next we're going to attach the end of the air tube onto this air dome outlet. Slide it on as far as you can, and we're going to squeeze and slide on these wing nut, and then we can tie it up. We're using this wire tie. If you pay attention, this rubber sleeve is against this rib here. It's protecting the air holes. And we're going to install the rear access panel. Slide it up first under these 2 tabs on the top. Then we're going to bend a little bit the bottom. Place it in these 2 slots here. Alright, at this point we can secure that access panel with the 4 Phillips screws. Alright, so we're going to install the control panel. We're going to align these 5 tabs with the 5 cutouts in the cabinet. Place it in. And simply turn it over and install it. So now we're going to secure the control panel with a couple of Phillips screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.